Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Yes! 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 Oh, I gotta save that video. Yes! Yay! Back over, Mercedes.
That's right.
He's after you, dumbass.
Hell yeah. Quand je suis allée chez toi, lui il a décidé. Ouais.
Mais non, on va t'en arrière, là.
Lui il a décidé qu'il était pour rentrer.
Tu fais quoi, là?
Il se passe gros avec son camion. Fais juste attention. C'est toi, non? Arrête, toi.
Ouais.
C'est toi, le petit con.
Alors, je sais.
Non, non. Là, il roule pas, tu sais.
Ah, puis là, lui va venir s'en aller en avant.
Attention, B.
LDC Volunteer Day. God, go!
Sure. Message to Wesley Wilson saying,
We both pulled over.
Can you see the tag number?
I will in just a second. He's in a black Honda. Yeah, he's definitely leaving right now.
Okay, what's the tag number? Do not chase him. Do not follow him.
It's a temporary tag.
Go ahead.
I am looking at my phone on a red light. Like, I can tell when the light turns.
Oh, not right there. Oh.
I think he hit him.
No, they did.
Just go ahead, go right up behind. What are you doing exactly? Where are you gonna go? You moron. Come on, come in front of me. I wanna have some entertainment. Oh my God, they're gonna cause an accident. Oh, here he comes. Yeah! Woo! Thank you. Yeah, get him! Woo! Get him, get him, get him, get him. Go get him, go get him. Put on those lights. Light them up. Light them up, baby. Light them up. Finally. Years I've been waiting for this. Get him. Yeah! Woo! There he is. Got him. Bye-bye.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.